Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this video on how and why I created this beautiful and functional custom backsplash for our bakery remodel in Colma, California. So when I was observing the employees while doing my programming, I saw that they were creating these amazing cakes that had great amounts of detail, but the photos that they were using for reference were small, hard to see, and laying flat on the work surface, which was uncomfortable for them to look at while creating. You can also see this in this photo in the yellow circle that some of the reference material they had to hang on the wall, which was doing damage to the wall because they were using tape and push pins. So in my design for the space, I wanted to give them a more attractive place to display their inspirations in a way that wouldn't damage the walls or hurt their necks while working because they were looking up and down throughout the process. Another reason for this backsplash is for a focal point. Customers who come in get to view the girls while decorating their cakes, and it's truly awesome to see. They were not in the back, they were front and center, and I really wanted to highlight that. So for the backsplash, I chose this creamy arabesque tile. It's elegant yet simple with a small amount of blue outline to give it some dimension. I wanted a tile that would really look great but not distract from the photos that the girls were using while they were working. So once I got the dimensions I needed for the backsplash, I laid out the tile and spaced it out so I knew the exact size I needed to make my frame. I then got out my trusty and absolute favorite tool to use, my tile saw. I began cutting the outside pieces to fit within my dimensions. In this slide you can see the tile laid out, the end pieces are cut and ready to go. Then I start applying the tile to my frame using OmniGrip, which is a ready-made adhesive, and I apply with my trowel and make sure that the tile is smooth and level with my grout float, which is really important because you don't want to have any uneven surfaces within your tile. Here I have attached and taped the frame to the board. We cut the frame to overlap the tile by 1/8 of an inch, so that will cover up and hide any imperfections. And I always tape off any parts of my project that I don't want damaged. Why? Because grout is very messy and it can also scratch when it's sanded. Here is the beautiful finished backsplash, all cleaned up and ready for install. And there she is up close. We painted the frame to match the design of the space, added a shelf here to house the cake decorating tools for easy accessibility and cleanup. And there she is. Thank you everyone for checking out our video.